Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Gas cap won't click or tighten. Here's what you need to know. Got a gas cap that won't click or tighten? You're not alone. This common issue can lead to bigger problems if ignored. A loose or faulty gas cap can cause fuel vapors to escape, affecting your vehicle's emissions and potentially triggering that dreaded check engine light. Ignoring this seemingly small problem can result in poor fuel economy and even costly repairs down the road. That's why it's crucial to diagnose the issue correctly and get it fixed promptly. In this video, we'll walk you through why this happens, how to inspect the gas cap, and what you can do to resolve it. Common causes of a gas cap that won't click or tighten. If your gas cap won't click or tighten, there are a few common issues that could be at play. Understanding these can help you get to the root of the problem and solve it quickly. Worn out or damaged gas cap. Over time, gas caps can wear out or get damaged. Just like any other part of your car, they're not immune to the effects of daily use. When the gas cap gets old, its parts may start to deteriorate. The rubber gasket can crack or harden, making it impossible to form a snug seal. A damaged gas cap might also have physical defects like broken or bent tabs. These tabs are essential for the gas cap to lock into place. If they are compromised, the gas cap won't click or tighten properly. This usually results in a loose fit, which can cause fuel vapors to escape and trigger the check engine light. Misaligned threads. Ever had trouble screwing a lid back onto a jar? The same thing can happen with your gas cap. Misaligned threads can prevent the gas cap from tightening all the way. Cross-threading occurs when the cap isn't placed correctly on the fuel filler neck, leading to an improper fit. This can happen if someone is in a hurry at the gas pump and doesn't pay attention to how they're putting the cap back on. Even slight misalignment can cause major issues because the gas cap won't be able to seal properly, allowing fuel vapors to escape. Debris or dirt accumulation. A dirty gas cap or fuel filler neck can also cause problems. Debris, dirt, or even rust can accumulate on the gas cap or in the threads of the fuel filler neck. This layer of grime can act like a barrier, stopping the gas cap from clicking or tightening as it should. If you notice that your gas cap is dirty, it's worth cleaning it off to see if that resolves the issue. Just like how a dirty key might not turn in a lock, a dirty gas cap won't function properly. Regular cleaning can help maintain a proper seal and avoid issues down the line. Faulty fuel filler neck. Sometimes, it's not the gas cap that's the problem but the fuel filler neck. This part of the car can wear out over time, just like the gas cap. Damage or corrosion to the fuel filler neck can make it difficult for the gas cap to form a tight seal. The fuel filler neck might get bent or damaged from everyday use or from an accident. When this happens, no matter how new your gas cap is, it won't click or tighten as it should. If cleaning the gas cap and ensuring it's not worn out doesn't solve the problem, you may need to inspect the fuel filler neck for damage. Symptoms of a faulty gas cap. A faulty gas cap might seem like a minor issue, but it can lead to several noticeable symptoms. Understanding these signs can help you address the problem early and avoid costly repairs. Check engine light. One of the most common signs of a loose or damaged gas cap is the check engine light. Have you ever seen that little engine icon pop up on your dashboard and wondered what it meant? A gas cap that doesn't seal properly allows fuel vapors to escape, causing a vapor leak in the system. Modern vehicles have sensors that detect these leaks. When the system finds a leak, it triggers the check engine light. This isn't just a nuisance. Ignoring it can lead to more serious issues down the line. Fuel odor. Another clear indicator of a faulty gas cap is a strong fuel odor around your vehicle. Imagine walking to your car and getting hit with the smell of gasoline. Not very pleasant, right? A compromised gas cap can let fuel vapors escape, which you can smell. This can happen whether your car is parked or running. If you notice this odor frequently, it's worth checking your gas cap to make sure it's secure and intact. Decreased fuel efficiency. A gas cap that doesn't click or tighten can also affect your car's fuel efficiency. Think of it like leaving a window open in winter. Your heater has to work harder to keep your house warm. When the gas cap is faulty, it allows fuel to evaporate, leading to fuel loss. This means your car has to use more gas to go the same distance, reducing your miles per gallon. Over time, this can add up to a considerable amount of wasted fuel, hurting your wallet and the environment. By keeping an eye out for these symptoms, you can catch a faulty gas cap early and avoid bigger problems down the road. Taking care of this minor issue can save you from a lot of headaches and expense. Inspection and diagnosis. When your gas cap won't click or tighten, it's essential to inspect and diagnose the problem correctly. This section will guide you through a visual inspection, functional testing, and using diagnostic tools to pinpoint the issue. Visual inspection. Start by giving the gas cap and fuel filler neck a good look. This can reveal obvious signs of trouble. Check for damage. Look at the gas cap for any cracks, worn-out seals, or broken parts. The rubber gasket should be flexible and intact. If the gas cap appears damaged, you might need a replacement. Inspect the fuel filler neck. Examine the fuel filler neck for any dents, rust, or debris. Dirt and grime can prevent the gas cap from sealing correctly. Cleanliness is key. Make sure there's no dirt or residue around the fuel filler neck. Even small bits of debris can cause big problems. By visually inspecting these parts, you can often spot the root of the issue. Functional testing. Testing the gas cap's ability to click and tighten is another crucial step. Follow these steps to see if the cap is working as it should. Remove and reattach the cap. Unscrew the gas cap completely and then screw it back on. Listen for the clicking sound that signals it's tightly sealed. Check resistance. As you tighten the cap, there should be some resistance before it clicks. If it turns too easily or doesn't click, the cap might be faulty. Test multiple times. Sometimes, testing once isn't enough. Remove and reattach the gas cap a few times to ensure it consistently clicks into place. These tests will help you determine if the gas cap is functional or if you need a replacement. Thanks for watching part 1 of our series on gas cap issues. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into troubleshooting and fixing your gas cap. Until next time, please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.